Hi, my name is Lindsay Walker and I'm Head of Client Support for JustFA Technology. Today I want to illustrate the welcome email that was received from a new client that has been registered onto your white labelled JustFA platform and the 4 key steps that's highlighted on the main dashboard to guide the client on their onboarding journey. As you will see from the previous video, we registered and sent the automated email to the client. The automated email that the client will receive in their inbox will be rebranded with your company details. It will pull through your firm name, your personal information, your firm name, and also your firm address and contact number. This also provides a link to the JustFA client portal to allow the client to activate their account and create their own unique password. I'm going to click on the link and this will guide the client to create their own unique password. The client can also then has a hot link into the JustFA platform terms of business. Once they're happy to proceed, they click on the radio button to the left-hand side and this will generate the complete registration. This will then take them into the rebranded JustFA client portal. This will be provided with your own company logo and we can facilitate your own company branding, text, etc. upon the firm onboarding process. As you will see, the client is then met with a hello and welcome and it refers to the client as it did in the welcome email, the getting started section. These are the 4 key steps that we believe the client has to complete to allow you to give you the information and the type of advice in the client's personal circumstances. When we registered the initial client onto the portal, the system automatically recognised that this was a new client and that you also then would require the clients to complete some new disclosure documents. Each link on the client portal provides a hot link to each section that we require the client to complete. If I click on company documents, you will see as this is a new client, the system has automatically generated your own disclosure documents, one being the privacy policy and the other being your advisory terms of business. You will see we've also got the inbuilt compliance feature here that the client has to physically open these documents before we allow them to electronically sign. To view the document, the clients can simply click on view and the document will open as a separate PDF document. The client can then view that document and view and confirm and read at their own leisure. Once they are happy to proceed, they simply click on the sign. It will provide a confirmation window to say, are you sure you want to confirm? Once they're happy to proceed, that then locks the document down and you have the full compliance audit trail of when that document was created and when it was physically electronically signed by the client, which is visible on the back office. You then repeat the same process for the advisory terms of business. And again, it's a separate window that pops up, and once the client has read and happy to proceed, they click on sign, confirm, and again that locks the document down. If I move back to the the client dashboard, you will see it's then taking step 1 away from the 4 steps that was registered at the beginning. It's then asking the client now to take them in to upload their ID to allow you to complete your KYC checks. When we click on the hot link, it then will ask the client to provide 2 copies of identification, one being from ID and the other for proof of address. Client can simply select which document they wish to upload. So for now, I want to upload a passport. Select the file and where the document has been saved. Once the document has been uploaded, this will then generate the submit button. And then a nice little thank you will pop up. That then locks that particular document down and will be visible to you on the back office. I will then repeat the same process for the proof of address. And we want to click submit. And again, the nice little thank you window will appear. Again, if I go back to my main dashboard, you will see again step 2 has now been disappeared as the system has recognised I've completed the first 2 steps as this client. I hope you found this video useful. Please now take a look at the other handy videos that we have available within our library. Thank you for watching.